The alignment looks great. I am happy with how everything fits, so I'll move on to sealing the graft. And here is the final result. Now let's fast forward a few weeks and see how this graft turned out. I'm really happy with how the things are going. All 3 buds have sprouted and the new shoots are growing strong. The only downside, a few aphids have shown up, but I'm not too worried. In the next update, I'll introduce you to my tiny friend who helps me deal with them. So, this is how the graft looks after 86 days. The new growth is massive. These shoots are almost a meter long. And by the way, here is my hard-working little friend I mentioned earlier. Ladybugs are amazing when it comes to controlling aphids naturally. At this stage, I think it's time to remove the tape and take a look at how things are healing underneath.